Hello and welcome to a new explaining bonus of Money Express. Today I explain you the indirect direct bonus. So let's start. But first here's the indirect minus direct bonus. You receive this bonus every time a direct referral receives a direct bonus. To the next. What is an indirect referral? An indirect referral. So if you referral a plan, this is your direct referral. Then you get a direct bonus. If your direct referral someone a plan, this is your indirect referral. So he's in level 1. When the indirect referral 1 in the level 1 referrals a plan, this is your indirect referral. And he is in the level 2. And so on. So here I made an example for you. On the first, on the right side, on the top, there are you. You referral someone, this is your direct referral, and you receive the direct bonus. One person won, who you referred another person. Here, person 2. This is a direct referral of person 1 and your indirect referral. So you get the indirect bonus of him. And he is in the level 1. If person 2, your indirect referral, referrals another one, here person 3, you receive the level 2 indirect bonus because person 3 is now your indirect referral in level 2. And also the indirect referral of person 1. This graphic should it explain easily. The example, the standard, while level 1 you get 3%, in level 2 you get 2%. Professional has 3 levels, level 1 3%, level 2 2%, and level 3 1%. Master has 5 levels. First 3, second 2%, 3, 4, and 5 you get 1%. That's it. I hope you understand it, and see you in the next video.